Knowledge becomes power only when you apply it. And today, I want you to apply this technique to make your dashboard look more beautiful. So here you can see an SOP, which is start of process of any particular thing you want to make. So in the procedure, I have mentioned the first step, power on machine, check air supply, and shift machine in order. So this is not about what I have written, it's about appearance of this SOP. So let's see how I have written it. So I have written a function node where I have mentioned all the three steps separated by the break HTML tag. You can see that it is the HTML tag and it is working as the next line in our text. Then I have given this output SOP, that is a text node where I have mentioned label as SOP and I have given it a class name that is B. I have also applied the style where I have increased the font size and the text color to black. Now let's come to the template node. So whatever you see on the dashboard is the magic of actually this task. Inside this we have written a style text which starts here and ends here. Inside this I've taken first dot p represents the class that is B, and then init value which is contained in the SOP text node. So here the color will be text of the color will be the color of the text will be black, font size 30, and weight will be 4. The label which we have mentioned as SOP will be of blue color. You can see font size 40 and font weight will be bold. That comes to the class. So the whole node comes to the class. Whole text node will come in this class. So their background color will be white. Order of this element or not the nodes will become black solid with a 5 pixel. Border radius will be 8 pixels. And so now you see that the class uh, parameters have been edited to make this. Hope you understood the magic of the template node and you can do many more such things using the template node. Even you can design the whole other node like buttons, optional buttons using this node. Just you need to use some coding that. So thank you for learning with me and I'll see you tomorrow.